Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how I go into the MLS and quickly determine whether there are any wholesale opportunities in a particular neighborhood. So, jumping into the MLS, I've already logged in to save a little bit of time. So you go to Power Search. Computer's kind of running slow here. Go ahead and select your neighborhood. So in this example, I'm going to select a neighborhood that I know is not exactly a great neighborhood to find wholesale opportunities. To kind of give you an example of that. So I went ahead and selected a neighborhood, active, under contract, and sold, 4 months of sold data, and let's see what we got. Okay, so we only have 4 actives in the neighborhood. We've got roughly 10 under contracts, and we've got a lot of sold data. Great supply and demand numbers in this neighborhood. Looking at the sold data, there are wholesale opportunities in this neighborhood. There's properties going from 50 all the way up. The high solds in this neighborhood are looks like automatically disregard this highest sold. I don't know why something would sell for 200,000 in this neighborhood. So it's just I always disregard the top highest sold. The next one, 134, 130, 114. So really, the high fixed up solds in this neighborhood are going to be in that 130, 120 range. If you pull those up, you'd see these are fixed up. That's probably not that fixed up. So comparing the high solds in the neighborhood to what we have active, you can see we don't have much range here. This is 102, 119, 120. These two are probably already fixed up. This one, or actually this one's probably fixed up. These might be just regular houses, and but really no wholesale opportunities. These are not half of the high solds in the neighborhood. So I would just go ahead and move on with this one. So this is not a neighborhood that I would just quickly move on to the next one. So I'm going to jump into a neighborhood that I know has some wholesale opportunities. It's a little further north in Denver, in Montbello neighborhood. Go ahead and encompass the neighborhood. Select the active, under contract, sold. 4 months of sold data. And go ahead and see what we got. So going down to the solds, our high solds, I would go ahead and disregard these. Starting at the 180, we got really 170 to 160 is kind of the fixed up range. You can see there's a lot of 160s, a lot of 170s. So these are completely fixed up ARV comps, sold comps that we're going to compare to. And also the 150 range. So going up to the actives, these look kind of interesting. You got a 75 and 85,000. So these two here, I would definitely select those, and I would move on and continue to evaluate those properties. So that's it for this training video, and we'll see you on the next one.